here we are at the awards dinner. We're a bit early, so we're just going to walk around and say hi to people. Hey, Erin, how's it going?
It's great, Dubside. How are you?
I'm good. So what did you do today?
I cheered on the team. I was the team pack mule, the team find the skirt for everyone and run around and make sure boats were where they needed to be.
Cool. Kyle, turn this way. How's it going?
Going good. Today was the relay race, so we were in teams of 3, doing the same course as we did for the short race. So I believe that was about 2.25 miles out and back for the event that I did. I was paired with a couple of the Swedish paddlers.
How did the race go at the end?
It's tradition that the last paddler who comes in is escorted to the finish line by all the other competitors. So we had the one Greenlander and then a big delta formation with probably 30 or 40 kayakers following him to the finish. It was very fun. We all lined up in front of the finish, held our paddles up, and then some people went out in front and did rolls, speed rolling, hand rolls. I believe one of the coaches came out of his kayak, so the safety boats had to rescue him. It was very memorable.
Yes, thank you.
This seems like so Greenlandic to me. Only the foreigners are on time.
That's about right.
Yeah. But we had such a great time. And I'm so grateful. And the hospitality of all the people we've met. And I'm feeling kind of included even though I don't speak the language. So really thrilled.
You were out buying all sorts of cool things today, right?
Yeah, I was out mostly at the shop. What's the name of it?
The workman's shop.
Yeah, I was mostly there. I was there for like probably 2 hours today or more, ordering, asking for certain things, and then having them made and watching them being made, and then asking for other things that didn't get made that I'm gonna have to go back for tomorrow. So, stuff for the events. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi,
And tell us that your name is Jacobina.
my name is Jacobina.
And what do you do at the competitions?
I'm in the judge table. I'm in the mini store, what you call it, and make the sealskin, fix it,
Yes.
and everything.
Qaannamik. So what are we about to do here?
This is how do you say it? The last day party or ceremony for everybody to come and eat, and after eating, hopefully there will be music up there. Yeah, it looks like there's going to be music here.
But aren't they going to announce something? They'll announce like.
Yeah, they announce where will be next year, the championship, and yeah.
What about who won?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
What's that? Explain that.
It's who have the most points in the women's 20 to 34 year olds points. Nuuk, and the one with the most points will receive the medals and the trophy. Yeah, exactly.
Trophy's right there.
Trophy's right there. And I already know who's going to win in the women's team. We already counted there.
Somebody who's related to you.
Yeah. Yeah. And so.
We already know who's going to win on the men's team.
Yeah.
We figured it out.
Yeah.
It's not Uyana.
No?
Senior.
Are you really? All right. Yeah. I mean, he's more flexible than his big brother.
No, but it was that one the short race on the first day. That was what did, and they both missed the harpoon target.
Oh,
so that was
that
part
was
of
very
it.
That must be yeah.
And there's a team trophy, right?
Team trophy.
For the winning team with the most gold medals?
Qajaq, Nuuk, Sisimiut, or Qaannamik. Yeah. Ilulissat did pretty well, in my opinion. many of them got golds and silvers.
Right.
Yeah. So, like last year, Illustrated team didn't. Most of them, or I can say 90% of them, didn't race the short race because of the delays and the infos in the Greenland.
Oh, yeah. They weren't there in time from the flight delay. Okay, yeah.
So, but in my surprise, at the last day, as like this right now, last year, they Illustrated did pretty well. I was so surprised. Everybody was surprised that Illustrated wasn't in the bottom. It was kind of in the middle. So this year, hopefully, we did better, but we can always do better.
So nobody knows for sure until they announce it.
Yeah.
Right. So it's anticipation, which is why when they announce it, there's a whole lot of screaming and shouting going on, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I remember when I was a little kid, there was like big tables, just one big line, 2 and 3, just Illustrated, Nuuk, and there was big chills. I was so, and I could remember we won as a city, and I was so happy. That was the most unforgettable memories I have in my life. Yeah. So yeah, there's a special place heart for Qajaq Illustrated in my heart. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So.
Qaannamik.
Yeah. Thank you.
They've had the final dinner here in 2010 and 2016. I can't remember where it was, but we would push the tables back and do all this dancing and with the music going on, and then by the end, they were forming a Congo line, and they would go out that door and outside and come around the other way and around the building. Pretty wild, but we'll see how crazy, how late it goes this year. You've been a special guest on the Dubcast with Dubside, and here.
Yes, that's true. I still haven't heard it, but I will most certainly.
You can find it. It's on the air. So this is
I will. Yes.
Oscar Wenkt.
Yeah, Asger Wenk. Yes,
Asger Wenk,
yes, yes.
So you're back here for another year at the competition.
I'm most certainly back next year. Yeah, in my own kayak and with my own gulisak and my own paddle and my own everything.
All right.
So it's been it's always a chase to find a kayak when you have not built your own. So I don't want to experience that next year. But it's been a wonderful year. Wonderful year.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Qaannamik.
Ikke.
Qaannamik Unammersuarneq, Qajartullammak, Paasirood. Unforgettable. 중업복 분노시을지 보이냐소니 너무 지문 보이니 이기나오라 이기나오라 아랍기sambat 중업복 누링안어서 고향의 준비하신 Qaannamik Unammersuarneq sini kebiasaan Qaannamik Unammersuarneq